Hi guys, welcome to Massive Vans. Today this is a 2016 Renault Trafic Sport van. Top of the range being a Sport. Very nice specification. Has everything you need. Quickly go around the van, so you've got your front fog lights, your daytime running lights, your 17-inch alloy wheels, which are an extra. Bodywork on this is fantastic, finished in metallic grey. Rear parking sensors, your rear camera as well at the top there. It's been fitted with extra security locks on the side door and the back door. Fully ply lined in the rear. As you can see, very nice condition. The better engine as well, being the 120 brake horsepower instead of the 115. On the inside, it has got some seat covers fitted, but all the seats are in immaculate condition. You can see armrest as well, which is nice. Comes with the optional extra satellite navigation. Also has DAB radio, auxiliary and USB. Okay. And also Bluetooth connectivity with your audio connectivity as well with your Bluetooth. Air conditioning, cruise control, speed limiter, start stop, auto lights, auto wipers. This thing is absolutely fully loaded. It's done 33,152 miles. It still has a balance of manufacturer's warranty until 2020. Renault Trafics have 4 years warranty from when they left the factory. All the details on our website now on www.mastervans.co.uk. Thank you.